If you have been losing trades, after watching this video, you will start making profitable trades. Welcome to Optimal FS. In this video, I will show you a profitable strategy you can use to trade volatility 75 index profitably. Profitably. The time frame is 4-hour time frame. The strategy we are going to be using plays out very well in 4-hour time frame. Now we are using two indicators here, MACD and moving average. This is how the strategy works. When you see MACD crossing and you look at the candlesticks crossing the moving average, you place position according to the direction of the movement. Do you understand? Now let me illustrate how the strategy works. Look here now. This is MACD. Here is MACD. If you observe very well, there is a crossing there, and here there is also a crossing. Do you understand? There is a crossing here. Now check it. You see that the crossing occur at the same time. You take your sell position. Take your what? Sell position. And this is your gain. As easy as that. As easy as that. Now let's move. Let's move. You see, this is a lot of gain. Watch it. Watch it from here. See, a lot of gain, a lot of gain, a lot of, it's still selling, it's still selling. Now watch, this is another point here. This is another point here. Watch here. There is a crossing here. Do you understand? Now let's see if there is a crossing up here. Watch it. If you observe, the crossing occurred down here. The crossing occurred down here at MACD first, before here. So once the crossing does not occur at the same time, that is not a trade for you to take. Do you understand? Make sure that the crossing occur at the same time. Do you understand? All right, we move. Now watch here. Watch here. Pay attention. Pay attention. That's what I want to show you now. Look here. There is a crossing here. Do you understand? Now trace it up. Trace it up. You see that there is a crossing also. Look at it. You see that there is a crossing here also. Do you understand? So you take what? Buy position. Take a buy position immediately. Once you observe that the crossing occur immediately, take a what? Position immediately. Do you understand? Now if you watch, this is a lot of gain. Watch from the point where you enter. From here, this is a lot of gain for you. This is what? A lot of gain, hundreds of dollars. Do you understand? So we move. Now observe here. Observe here. There is another thread here. Observe here. Observe closely. There is a crossing here. Do you understand? Now trace it up to see if the crossing occur at the same time. Trace it up. Watch it. You see that the crossing occur at the same time. Look at it. The crossing occur at the same time. Do you understand? So whenever you observe this, whenever you observe the crossing happening at the same time, take your position immediately. Do you understand? Here, this is a lot of gain. Here is a lot of gain for you. Do you understand? As easy as that. Just wait. When you observe the simultaneous crossing, then take what? Take a position immediately. Now we move. This is another opportunity here. This is another great opportunity here. Here is the crossing. Observe it very well. Now trace it up. Trace it up. If you trace it up, you see that there is a crossing here also. And both of them occur at the same time. Guys, whenever you notice this, this is what? A gold mine for you to what? For you to reap the market. This is, watch it, great gain, huge gain. Do you understand? This is huge gain. Now let's move. Watch here. This is another entry opportunity here. Watch it. You see it? Now let's trace it up and see if the crossing occur at the same time. Watch it. Watch it. Straight. Can you see it? Can you see it? This thing occur, the crossing occur at the same time. So we don't have any other thing to confirm that. As far as the crossing occur at the same time, you take what? Your position. This is a huge amount of money, guys. This is a huge amount of money. As easy as that. If you have been losing your trade, study this strategy very well. Start applying it, and your trading history will change for good. Do you understand? Let's move. Now watch here. Watch here again. Watch here. If you watch here, you see that there is also simultaneous crossing. Do you understand? And this is what a lot of profits. Do you understand? If you entered here, you're already reading profit as easy as that. There is no two way about it. Now let me show you the settings. Let me show you the settings. The first indicator is what? Moving average. The period is 50. Method is exponential. Apply to close. Do you understand? That is the first indicator. Now the second indicator is what? MACD. Fast EMA is 12. Slow EMA 26. MACD SMA 9. Apply to close. Do you understand? Then the style, choose the color of your choice. The signal color should be the same as your screen background. Do you understand? This is great opportunity for you. Study it very well, and your trading history will change for good. If you like the video, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you.